Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Haley. Welcome, I am so glad that you are here. I am currently sitting on our love seat in our studio apartment and I have my no heat curls in, and I thought I would just take these out so you guys could see. This is like how I sleep every single night, and if you have not seen my heatless curls tutorial yet, you gotta go check it out because it is foolproof in my opinion. I'm just gonna start taking these out. So this video is gonna be a tad random because I just need your guys' help on another apartment decorating question. You guys helped me determine what to put on this blank wall in our kitchen, and if you saw my last video, you saw that I installed a beautiful new mirror, which I am really excited about there. And now today I just have a few other little, I need your advice. I just need some help. I have some questions. I feel like our apartment is really where I like it to, like I'm very happy with where it's at and whatnot. But, okay, look at this. This is so easy. Now my hair is done for the day. If you guys aren't doing heatless curls yet, you gotta get on it. Anyway, so I have a few walls that I need your advice on of what to do with them, because I am kind of a minimalist when it comes to my style. I'm not, I mean, I wouldn't say I'm too much of a minimalist, but I don't like a lot of clutter. I don't like a lot of knick-knacky type things out. I just like things to look nice. And so anyway, that being said, I love the Maximalist style. I just want to dabble, you guys. I want to do one wall as my Maximalist wall, and I will show you which wall it is. There's already a lot going on it anyway, so I'm like, we might as well just go crazy on it. And so let me just go show you, and then you guys can let me know what you think. Okay, you guys, so this is the wall that I am referring to. I am currently right now just kind of talking about this wall, not this little part that comes out, mostly just that wall. So you can see, like, there's the fire whatever alarm, there's the box thing, whatever you call that thing. And then we also have like our doorbell situation here, and we have lights, and they're all just kind of like, they don't flow very well. So we've kind of just tried to put some things up there to, I don't know, make it look sort of nicer, but it's still just kind of like a blah wall. If you look really close, you can see like this wall gets quite a bit of traction. I feel like we just put, like, you know, when we get like a package, like we put the box right there, whatever. So there's quite a bit of scuff marks, and I've had to try to repaint it a few times. And so yeah, that is the wall. This is Samson's custom made Etsy crate. So this is where, I mean, he doesn't even sleep in there, to be honest. He sleeps in bed with us, but he goes in there sometimes. He likes it. It's cozy. We typically keep it open. He just hops in there. He has his little cozy bed in there, so we'll take like an afternoon nap. But anyway, so I'll flip the camera around and show you some ideas of kind of what I am thinking. Okay, so I kind of want to do peel and stick wallpaper on this wall. That is my idea. I want it to be an accent wall, but I'm thinking more of like a neutral accent wall. I don't want it to be too dark. You want to go inside? Go ahead. Go ahead. Yep. Good boy. Okay. Yeah, you can be in there. Anyway, so I kind of want it to be like a neutral accent wall. My fear of doing like a darker peel and stick wallpaper would be that it would make the space look a little smaller. I kind of like how everything is very light and airy, and makes it feel bigger than it actually is right now, being that it's all this same color, which is the paint color China White, and I think it's by Benjamin Moore. So I picked out a few different neutral wallpapers, but my thought was this would be a giant gallery wall, like floor to ceiling gallery wall, aside from obviously where the Samson's crate is, but like all the way up here and like around the fire extinguisher, what is that even called? Fire alarm? Carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector. Wow, okay. You guys know what I mean. So kind of just having, I'll show you like on Pinterest, these are some pins that I have been saving of ideas that I have liked. And so I'm gonna show you guys what I've picked out thus far, and I want you to let me know what you think, or if this is just a terrible idea, you can let me know that too. I accept all opinions here. Okay, so as you can see here, I ordered 3 different peel and stick neutral options. This one has like bunny rabbits on it, and if you know me, you know I love like I love bunnies, I love lambs, I love it all. Anyway, but this I'm just not so sure about. I don't know, it just kind of looks a little like cheesier, like that bird. I just don't think that this is the one. Plus, I just am like, this pattern is like kind of a same vibe to the pattern of our bedding, and I do want it to be an accent wall, not just like the same thing. So I'm thinking this is gonna be a return. Let's do this one. This one I am open to. Let's see here if you can see. This, I don't know, you guys. I feel like this one is, again, really similar to our bedding. I have like a floral issue. Excuse the hair here. I don't know. I just feel like this flower looks kind of like Hawaiian vibe, maybe. I don't know. Am I wrong? Well, yeah, and this, I'm just not sure about that. Okay, this next one, I've always loved the toily pattern. It just feels very like Parisian. My mom used to have like curtains in this pattern growing up, and I always just like to look at the little people on them. But Jessie thinks that they're creepy, so I don't know if we will go with this one either, but I would say this is my favorite, at least right now. I know you can't really see a lot of it, but that's kind of, this one is, yeah, currently my favorite. I did order like 3 more. I've been taking a lot of inspiration from Only Murders in the Building on Hulu. I love the wallpaper that they all have in their apartments, especially Steve Martin, and his character just has like the coolest wallpaper. And I'm not that adventurous to go for like this crazy pattern, but I just want something to just spruce up this wall a little bit. I also think the idea of doing paintings and artwork up high will give it the illusion that the ceiling is higher, and it's even, if anything to make this apartment feel bigger than it actually is, I'm like, let's do it. So anyway, appreciate in advance your help and advice. I also just thought I would show you guys a couple fun things that I got while doing a little bit of shopping over Labor Day weekend. Jessie and I did some thrift shopping, and we also did stop at Nordstrom Rack, which I don't really go to Nordstrom Rack very often, but I got this lipstick. It is the MAC brand, and it is the color Marrakesh. I really like it. It's kind of like an orangey, brownish, reddish fall color. So I got that. I also got these earrings from Buffalo Exchange, which if you've never been to Buffalo Exchange, I am a big fan. It's just a really fun vibe, and it's basically like a consignment store, but they do have quite a few vintage pieces. And ooh, I'll show you guys this one other sweater that I got. Okay, how cute is this? So I got this cute little crew neck sweater, which I just think will be so fun for fall. I'm very excited for the cooler weather to come. It is so hot here in New York in the summer. Anyway, from Nordstrom Rack, I got this little corduroy overshirt jacket type thing, which I will just throw on so you guys can see it. But yeah, I just thought that it was so cute. I kind of have an obsession with this rust color, and yeah, it's just a fun little overshirt thing for fall. And then last but not least, okay, I got these jeans from Topshop. They're not from, they're Topshop brand, but I got them at Nordstrom Rack for $29, and they are so cute and just are really comfy, cute, fun new pair of jeans for fall. The only thing that I don't love about them is, you guys, it doesn't zip. It's just these buttons, and the buttons are rather hard to button up. And so I definitely would not have gotten these if they hadn't fit me so well, and I just felt like really, really good in them. So, you know, beauty is pain. What else? Yeah, like I said, this video is kind of random. It's just sort of some fun life updates. Oh, if you guys missed my last video, this is this wall, this is the mirror. I did just get this little baby KitchenAid mixer. It's tiny for a little tiny studio because I have been baking up a storm, and I'm not sure if this is exactly how I'm going to have this little layout right here, but I do really like it. But I just bought some flowers from this cute little bodega down the street, and look at it, aren't those so pretty? And I thrifted this mirror tray. This is a cute little Target tissue box cover, and this is from Jesse's mom from my bridal shower, but I just think it's kind of cute. When we lived in Minneapolis before we moved, I had a little from home pie baking business, which I haven't really been doing since we've been here in New York because I don't know, I just haven't wanted to really be in the kitchen. I've wanted to be out and about exploring the city. But I have, as we draw nearer to fall, kind of gotten back into my baking mojo, and it's been really fun. So I invested in a KitchenAid mixer. I do have a KitchenAid mixer back in the Midwest. It's just sitting in storage, but it's like a big KitchenAid mixer. So I'm like, it would be nice to have a smaller one as well. I do bake quite a bit. I mean, you know. Today I think I'm going to try my hand at making a loaf of brioche bread. So I might take you guys along with me for a little bit of that. We'll see. Trying to think of any more life updates. Samson is 8.8 pounds. Samson. Hi. How's my baba? How's my baba? How's my baby? How's my boy? You're a good boy. Love my baby. Okay, so the other peel and stick options arrived while I was baking, so I thought I would just show you guys these as well. So the first one is this like plaid gray color. So I honestly kind of like it. I feel like it would go really well, potentially. So that's an option. All right, this is another option. This one is like a little bit more, has like some brown and kind of gray in it, like a cream and gray. So we can see what that one looks like. I don't know, I'm not as sure about this one. And last but not least, we have this one, which you cannot really see very well. I believe there's like plaid in it too, or at least like stripes. Yeah, so not sure about this one either. I'll put in some pictures of what these look like on it online. Okay, so this is option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4, option 5, and option 6. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know which one is your favorite and what you think would go best with our apartment. And if you want to take a peek at our other apartment tour videos so you can kind of get a feel for the rest of the space, feel free to do that and let me know. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Be sure to leave your advice, opinions, any thoughts that you guys have as far as peel and stick wallpaper, or I'm open to paint too, but I just kind of wanted like some sort of pattern for that wall right there. Anyway, I look forward to reading what you guys think, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day,